Your bedroom is where you rest and recharge after a long, hectic day, so there is no reason why you wouldn't want it to feel like a retreat. With a few simple decor upgrades, think smart furniture choices, soothing paint colors, chic windows, treatment, and tasteful accessories, you can have the inviting bedroom you have always dreamed of. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Idea. In this video, we will talk about bedroom designing ideas. So watch the full video and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Ready to craft a calming bedroom? Regardless of size, your master bedroom is full of design potential. Get ready to step outside of your comfort zone with these brilliant bedroom decorating ideas that will help you pull off your makeover once and for all. And the best part is you don't have to below your budget. As an editor at House Beautiful, it's no surprise that I believe good design has the power to promote a positive mood. But there is also a pretty big crowd within the science community backing me. A simple way to ensure your bedroom design promotes a positive mood and feels like a place you can unwind in. Make sure it reflects your style, incorporate your favorite materials, colors and patterns. Shine the right light and maximize space. If you need some inspiration to revamp your bedroom, you have come to the right place. We brainstormed top 100 bedroom design ideas to help you create your own perfect resting space. No matter how bold you want to go, how large your room is, or what your design preference is. These bedroom decorating ideas, shopping tips, and designing example will help you decorate your bedroom. Never underestimate the power of a well appointed bedroom, since bedrooms are the most private rooms of the house, limited to only a few select guests. Still, your personal quarters deserve your most attention. This is where you spend time reading and relaxing, recharging and reflecting on the day. So it not only makes sense to adorn them with a check bed frame or soothing color scheme and great sheet. Unlike the rest of the home, which is designed with guests in mind, the bedroom offers a rare opportunity to put your personal style on full display. Designing a bedroom to perfectly reflect your personality might seem like a tall order, but it is not impossible. To help, check out these inspiring ways to transform your bedroom into your very own happy place. Your bedroom are the most important rooms in your house. After all, the master bedrooms is where you both start and end your day, while the guest bedroom is the place where you welcome those special overnight guests. That's why we have put together these inspiring bedroom design guide and ideas. With these best and brightest bedroom decorating ideas, it will help you visualize your dream space and provide the tips, simple ideas you will need to get that look. First up, figure out the style you did like for your room. Are you dreaming of a cozy bedroom ideas that beckon you to curl up with a good book, are cheerful and hide away? The easiest and most affordable way to update your space is by painting the walls a fresh new look. Now it is a time to dig into the fun stuff. Your bed and other pieces of bed furniture are important pieces to help set the mood and style of your bedroom. One of the best ways to ensure that your bedroom is unique and personal is to mix and match your bedside tables, dressers, and other bedroom furnitures rather than buying a matching suit. If you are up dye challenge, consider even making your own dye headboard and adding some floating nightstand for a bedroom that will be truly one of a kind. Don't forget to add a cute bedroom chair, best with a floor lamp and side table, or cozy window seat for reading, which give a really charming look for your bedroom. I hope that you like these new bedroom design ideas. If you like these ideas, please hit on like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and also press bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you will get notification. I am very thankful to all of you who watch the video at the very end, because it is a great support for me. If you watching my videos at the very end, it will increase the value of my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.